is delete node in BST. Okay, so in this question there is given a binary tree and a key value. You just have to delete the key value from the binary search tree, and after this you just have to return the new BST. Okay, so what this question is telling, there is given a BST 5 3 5 3 6 2 4 7. Okay, so here is given a 2 4 and 7. Okay, so you just have to delete the node, so you just have to delete the node 3. So you just have to delete the node 3, and after this you just have to return the newly formed BST. Okay, so the newly formed BST will be look like 5. The 4 will move in the, and the 4 will move to the 3rd position, and then 6, and then 7. So you just have to return the root. Okay, so how can you approach this question? So let's do this. First you have to check if root is equals to null. If it is null, then you just have to return the null. Okay, and then again you just have to check if root ka value is equals to null, sorry, root ka value is equals to key, then you just have to do if condition, if root ka left is equals to null, and root ka right is equals to null, then you just have to return the null. Okay, and again you just have to check if root ka left is equals to null, root ka right is equals to null, then you just have to do two things. If you just have to check again root ka left is not equals to null, then you just have to return, root ka left, else return root ka right. Okay, again you just have to check if root ka left is not equals to null, and root ka right is not equals to null, then you just have to do tree node star equals to IOP. IOP will be the function that I will create later, and then root ka val equals to did ka val. Okay, and then root ka left equals to delete node root ka left comma pred ka val. Okay, and then you just have to else this, else if, again you have to check if root ka val is greater than key, then you just have to do root ka left is equals to delete node root का left comma key else root का right is equals to delete node root का right comma key. Okay, so you just have to do two things, and after this you just have to return the root. Okay, so there are two functions that you have to make. The first one is IOP function. So let's create the function IOP. Tree node star IOP tree node star root. You just have to do if tree node star spread is equals to root का left while spread right, then you just have to move spread equals to spread right. Okay, then you just have to do these two things and then return spread. Tree node star iOS comma tree node star root. Then you just have to copy paste it, control C, control V, create a sub SUV, and you just have to return the SUV also. So you just have to run this code. Tree node this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.